Alright, goodbye Teton Valley Resort.
Hopefully your construction will be done soon.
What are you getting?
Carabiner clips. It's a set of 12 pieces from Harbor Freight. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's just get everything. Yeah, let's get one Dr. Pepper and then some more root beer and then some Fanta and some Sprite.
It's Costco pizza time!
Yeah, we're getting drinks too. Where?
Good?
Oops.
That's fine. What are you drinking?
Root beer?
Time to go again.
Awards and education.
Nice!
That in the future.
Oh, thank you. I will.
What the heck is that?
All right. Go Giants. Yeah. Artistic expression. Take the picture.
Fastest route. You will arrive at 6:28 p.m. Quarter mile. Arrive at Red Canyon RV Park on the left.
Cabin's $25 and up per night, that's it?
Third camping site. Free cable TV, guys. Our black tank's not emptying.
No.
Hopefully this is gonna work.
It
I'm
probably
hoping it works.
got really clogged up when he pooped a million times.